Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to Soul Sync. It's your girl Dovey here. So tell me this. Have you ever wanted to live rent-free in a guy's mind? Like, even when you're not texting or calling, he's still thinking about you? Well, guess what? You can do that without chasing, begging, bang shot, or even saying a single word. Today, I'm giving you 8 powerful, subtle ways to make him obsessively think of you, and you won't even have to try too hard. Let's go. 1. Signature scent, instant memory. A woman's scent is something guys never forget. Seriously. Choose a soft, warm, or sweet perfume that feels like you and stick with it. You want him to associate that smell with your presence. It doesn't have to be overpowering, just enough so that when you leave the room, the air still whispers your name. Later, even if he smells something similar on someone else, it's going to trigger memories of you. That's the kind of invisible magic that lingers. When a scent wraps itself around his senses, it becomes emotional. It's not just perfume, it's the way you made him feel. That little spritz behind your ear, on your wrist, or on his hoodie you accidentally borrowed, it becomes your invisible signature. He won't say it out loud, but he'll miss you in ways he won't even understand. 2. Say less, but mean more. You don't need to talk 24/7 to stay on his mind. Sometimes it's the silence that creates the loudest echoes. Drop a deep, thoughtful text, then go quiet. Or leave him with a cute compliment, then disappear for a bit. You're not ghosting. You're giving him space to think, to wonder, to miss you. Let him replay your words and wonder what's going on in your mind. Mystery is seductive. The more he has to think about you to understand you, the more curious and addicted he becomes. It's not about being cold, it's about being intentional. When you give less access, his thoughts get louder. That's when the obsession begins. 3. Touch him casually, then let go. Physical contact can say so much more than words. A quick brush of his hand, fixing his collar, a playful bump when you laugh. It's subtle, but electric. These little touches awaken his attention without making it obvious that you're doing it on purpose. They make him feel close to you, without him even realizing why. And here's the trick. Pull back just as quickly. That gentle, I'm here, but I'm not yours yet energy drives men wild. It keeps him thinking, did she mean that? Was that on purpose? And those questions, they echo in his head all night. 4. Be the energy he craves. Your vibe matters. A lot. Be that calm, fun, safe space he doesn't get anywhere else. When he's stressed or tired, don't overwhelm him. Instead, be light. Be silly. Be supportive without smothering. Your presence should feel like peace, not pressure. Guys get addicted to comfort, especially when it's wrapped in feminine energy. And when you are that comfort and then suddenly not around, he'll notice. He'll miss you. He'll crave the way you made life feel lighter. That's when he starts replaying memories and realizing she's different. 5. Lock eyes, then look away. Eye contact is powerful, girl. When you hold his gaze just a little longer than usual, you create a silent tension, a small spark. Don't overdo it. Just enough to make his heart skip, then smile softly and look away. That eye contact says, I see you, but also, you don't get all of me yet. Why does this work? Because he starts wondering what that look meant. He starts imagining what's behind your eyes. It's not just a stare, it's an unspoken tease that lingers in his mind long after you're gone. 6. Connect through music or mood. Send him a song randomly or tell him, this reminded me of you. Even better, share music that makes you feel sexy, playful, emotional, and let him peek into your mood. Music is deeply personal, and when you tie it to your moments together, it becomes unforgettable. When he hears that song again, boom, he's thinking of you. And not just remembering, he's feeling whatever you felt. Emotional triggers are long-lasting, especially when they come from shared moments or songs that feel yours. 7. Have a private joke or phrase. This is so underrated. Have a quirky nickname for him or make a joke only the two of you understand. Something small, silly, or unexpected. These little insider rock connections make him feel special, and they build a secret world between you two. Now, here's the magic. Even when you're not there, he'll hear or see something that reminds him of that phrase or joke and smile. You've planted yourself in his daily thoughts, in the most innocent yet intimate way. 8. Know when to leave him wanting more. End conversations first. Walk away when it's still good. Let him miss you. Don't drag out time together just because it's comfortable. Leave with a sweet moment still in the air. Why? because he'll replay it in his head. That goodbye hug, that last laugh, that final glance, that's what will live with him all night. Mystery doesn't mean being distant. It means knowing your worth. When you give just enough for him to feel close, but not enough for him to feel like he has you, that's when the real chase begins. So, my people, if you really want to live in his mind rent-free, remember, it's not about loud gestures. It's about the soft, intentional things that speak straight to his senses, his memories, and his emotions. Be subtle, be playful, be unforgettable. If this video made you smile or helped you feel more in control of your feminine magic, drop a in the comments and tell me which point you're trying first. Don't forget to subscribe to SoulSync, because here, we don't just chase love, we attract it. Until next time, stay mysterious, stay soft, stay powerful.